okay, okay. Yeah. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. And I am super duper excited today because today is Fashion Friday. Yes, Fashion Friday. And I am so ecstatic for these packages right here because these are gifts I got for my birthday. Gifts that I got. So, aside for a second, and I'm gonna rip this open. I am just ecstatic for this. Luxury Fashion Friday. Saks Fifth Avenue is one of my favorite stores. So let's start off with the card. And it says, happy birthday, Goddess Jazzilulu. May your life be filled with love, wealth, and happiness. In the box. And carefully take off the sticker. And this is how it looks inside. This is how the first box looked like. I love this packaging. Oh my gosh, I love the fact of how Saks ties it for you, and yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Okay, let's put the ribbon right there. The anticipation. Another sticker right here. Ooh. Girl. Ooh. And this is how it looks. OMG. So before I say the details of this, let me open this because this goes with this. And this is how this looks. Oh yes. Ooh, girl. So I'm gonna take this out of the plastic. So what is this? This right here is a Versace Bikini triangle top, and it is in the color red. This is a tag, how it looks if you never had Versace before. It's in a size 3. Gianni Versace, made in Italy, and how to care for the garment. And there's like a QR code here. So I'm so excited. When I got this, I took a trip for my birthday and I traveled to 2 places. So this is the bikini top and I love it. I ordered the bikini top all the way from Texas, so that's why I came separate, because the bikini top was actually ordered from Dallas, Saks Fifth Avenue, Texas. So I love it. It's like super stretchy. You cannot see through it. And oh my gosh, the color on my skin tone, like red looks good on me. Even though we're looking over here, red looks good on me. And I love the gold detailing with the red that's all around. The band is stretchy. I love that. And it looks like it will have nice boob support. So this is a top. And let me read how they describe it here. It just has the same thing, Versace tag. This is also in a size 3. This is the red bikini bottom Brazilian in a size 3. Gianni Versace. Same thing with the QR code here. So yeah, when I saw this, I was like, I had to get it. When I went online, I wanted like this other swimsuit, which I'm not gonna say because y'all girls and y'all guys be going to Saks and buying up the stuff that I like, but it's okay, it's okay. We can all shine together. So anyway, yeah, when I saw this, I just loved it. I love how it's cut. If you have a booty, this is a perfect bikini for you. I could still show my curves without being too scantily clad, but it's so sexy. I love it. Versace and Miami just go together, or maybe I'll go to a different place, but look how cute it is. Love this, love it for me. Yes, so we got luxury swimwear, and this is my first Versace bikini. And as y'all can see, Versace is coming through for the thick girls, for the thick and curvy over here. The way that they design the shape of it, I just love it so much. So I'm so excited and I'm so happy. So whoever typed this made sure it was secure and not going anywhere. And thank God that I don't have tips because this was kind of hard to take off. Okay, so black ribbon, how sexy, right? So we're gonna get into it. Ooh, oh my gosh, girl, let me tell you. Ah, mira eso, este bacana. Esta está rica, chica, bonita, Yasmin. Oh my gosh, I love it. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, and it's filled up in 2 different bags. So let me open it, Oh, I love it. I wish Versace did that. So they gave me a Balmain Paris bag to put my bikini inside, and I just love that. Easy for travel. So this bikini comes in another Balmain Paris bag. And, ooh, I love it, I love it. So let's start with the top. First of all, isn't this color everything? This is like a beige nude and like off-white. I love it. The perfect amount to cover and to tie it however you like. There's so many different ways to tie swimsuits now. I got this in a size 40. The inside is just white. It's like the fabric is the design and the fabric is the logo, so you don't have to worry about this like washing out or tarnishing. It's like stretchy and tight. So definitely good boob support with this. I just love it. I love the color. So next, obviously, is the bottoms. And I also got this in a size 40. And this is a tag. Let's see. This is a nude. It says Balmain Paris New Iconic Stripes Triangle Bikini in a nude. And I also got this in a size 40. This is what it looks like in the inside. Same thing again, just white. And it has the hygienical patch right here. And I just love this because it ties on both sides. I'm working with a lot back there. Love the fact that this is made for curvier women. It has more fabric on the tushy area, which I love. So it's sexy, but it's not showing too much booty. But on the beach, I will be looking like everything, like the rising sun. So I just love it. I'm like super excited. Look how cute, girl. Look how cute. So you also get this with your purchase of Balmain Swim. So I'm gonna put it in the bag. So let's just fold this in half, put this on top. And like when you go on vacation, or if you're like me, I guess life's a vacation if you live by water or on the beach. Look how cute this is. So when you wash your swimsuit, which I hand wash, I don't know about you guys, I hand wash, especially something like this that's a luxury item. I'm not gonna take the chances of putting it in the wash even by itself, because I feel like a lot of the detergents are like really harsh. So I hand wash this with gentle detergent and I let it hang dry. Mira, look how cute this is. You got your bag for your bikini, easy to travel on the go. So I just love my Fashion Fridays, Saks Fifth Avenue, birthday gift, a luxury swim haul. I love it, and thank you for watching.